Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome Today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend. Saturday, March the 27th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku. Well, actually, there are two regular puzzles. Medium Sudoku, and this is a quintuplet. Yes, a quintuplet. But I've told you earlier, I stopped making the quintuplets because it's taking too long. I need 1 hour or more to solve these kind of puzzles. We have here 5 Sudokus merged into a one whole big quintuplet. If you like quintuplets, go to my channel and search for the playlist of the quintuplets. So I will only doing the regular Sudoku today, and this Sudoku, by the way, I have not seen the newspaper, the whole newspaper yet, but normally there are also extra Sudokus or extra Sudokus in the additional, but I have not seen that yet, so I need to check if there are any extra Sudokus. But only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Number 2, 5, 3, 8. Okay, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 22. Plus 4 is 26, 28 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be maybe easier than the 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 99999. No, I cannot use the 9. Yes, the 5. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between, the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there, only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. Wait. And all the 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yes. Okay. Digit number 1, number 5. Yeah. How about the number... let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. One number left in this second row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. 1, 2, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9, should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and a 2. I cannot fill this yet, but we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be an 8, and that box should be a 2. All right. 2 boxes left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 7. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. The 8 should be there, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2? 6 and 2. No, still I cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 6. Okay. Then. 6. Yeah. Look, in this column. No. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Okay, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. In the third column, one of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here also a 9, so no 9 here. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. Then. Cannot continue with the 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. All right. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And that box should be a 1. All right. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. All right. Yeah. Let me see. 3, 7, and 8, 9. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be here. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Two numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8, and look, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. A 3. Okay, 9. Yeah. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. In this column, 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8, 1 and the 8, 1 and the 8. And look, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 4, alright. 2, 9. Okay. How about these 2 numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. The 2 and the 3 in this row. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. Alright. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 1 box left in the last column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Okay, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3. Alright. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 2. Alright. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Saturday. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Maybe with the additional. Bye bye for now.